Ladies and gentlemen, Hamjambo, it is really my pleasure to address you today as we prepare for the International Day of Family Remittances that will be celebrated globally on the 16th of June. Every year, we celebrate and mark the International Day of Family Remittances to recognize the important work that is done by over 200 million diasporians around the world who send money and remit to support over 800 members of their families across the world. It is a significant impact that these labor migrants have on economies and livelihoods of their families back home. So the essence of the International Day of Family Remittances really is to shed light on the profound impact that labor migrants and diasporas around the world have, not just on their families, but on millions of households, communities, and really entire nations. In Kenya, we recognize the pivotal role that is played by remittances from our diaspora community, not just in supporting the livelihoods of their families, especially in rural areas, but also as a crucial foreign exchange earner for Kenya. These remittances contribute significantly to our national economy, underpinning our development efforts and bolstering our resilience in the face of economic challenges. I am proud to highlight the work that has been done by our State Department for Diaspora Affairs in incentivizing diaspora remittances that has actually seen an increase in these diaspora remittances through strategic collaborations and working together with public and private sector. We continue to see the cost of remittances coming down, and this is something that we continue to work on, but also in giving information to our diaspora on formal ways to send money home. And we continue to work with you, both in the diaspora and stakeholders within Kenya, to move towards this goal. Sending money home through formal remittances and having conversations about the work and the impact remittances have on families will allow us all to maximize the benefits both for the senders as well as the recipient families and support sustainable growth and development across the country and prosperity for all. Together, let us continue to celebrate and harness the power of remittances as a force for positive change in Kenya and around the world. Happy International Day of Family Remittances. Thank you.